Okay, forget everything you know about chatbots. We're entering a massive shift. AI is moving from chatting to doing.
Imagine moving way beyond AI that just gives advice. What if it actually did your work for you?
The World Economic Forum compares this to the painter Raphael. He designed the vision. His apprentices did the painting. So in this new era, you're the master creator. Your AI agents are your digital apprentices, handling the heavy lifting. Generative AI just gives advice. But Agentic AI, it autonomously executes tasks, working constantly in the background. This unlocks something called vibe coding. Now, non-technical founders can build and deploy whole apps using just everyday language. To teach this exact skill, Google and Kaggle are launching a free, hands-on AI agents course this June.
The demand is absolutely wild. Over 1.5 million learners joined Google's last AI course alone.
But wait, if you're building all these agents, how do you avoid a massive mess of fragmented tools?
Well, platforms like Abacus AI fix this. They act as a unified workspace, basically replacing dozens of separate tools.
Their deep agent execution layer is incredible. It builds apps, does deep research, makes presentations, and even processes invoices.
For stuff needing 24/7 attention, there's Abacus Claw. It's an always-on persistence layer that literally never sleeps.
The real game changer is continuous memory. It integrates with Slack, remembers context, and handles recurring tasks completely proactively.
Zooming out, this tech paves the way for the super individual and the true one-person company.
Even legal frameworks are catching up. China just streamlined business registrations specifically to empower these solo AI-equipped founders.
Those old bottlenecks to scaling? Gone. One individual plus AI agents now equals a fully functional company.
Need proof? A staggering 230,000 global online stores are already powered by Alibaba's AI agents.
They act as a full digital workforce, handling complex stuff like market analysis, logistics, and even customs paperwork.
We're basically in the iPhone 1.0 moment for Agentic AI. It's powerful, but still evolving fast.
The digital workshop is officially open. So what are you going to build with your new AI apprentices?